can't believe I just did that. I just put a hole in the roof. Well, I'm not really looking forward to doing this, but today is the day to cut the big square hole in the roof of this big square truck. It's time to install the MaxxAir fan, and unfortunately that means cutting a big hole in a perfectly good roof. So because I already have my frame set up in the roof, all I have to do is cut through the outer skin. The first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole in each corner, and then I'm going to trace that line around on the outside and cut it with my jigsaw from the outside. Once that's done, all I have to do is put the sealant on and drop the frame into place, and then bolt the fan to it. You ready for me to drill a hole in the roof?
Yes.
Here goes! So next time I'm going to wipe down the edge of the roof and the edge of the frame with some alcohol to clean off any dirt before I put the adhesive sealant on it. Well, it's taken a little over an hour, but the fan is now installed and I've got the wires run to it. And hey, have you seen my new LED lights? Wow, can't see anything now. So the last piece of the puzzle is going to be the trim ring, and in our case we had to cut the trim ring down to 2 inches. It comes at about 5, I think. I just rolled a roll of tape around the outside and used that as my mark and cut it again with the jigsaw. One of the things that we did decide to go with that some people might find a little bit over the top and added expense was the remote, but the ceiling in our truck is pretty high. I just measured from the floor to the push buttons on the fan unit themselves, and it's 7'8". So I'm 6'2" and I can reach it, but not everybody would be able to reach that. Just to give some visual representation of that, I am obviously, as you can see, standing on the floor. My camera is up at the fan, and if I put my arm straight up in the air, there's the fan. That's quite a reach. Well, I guess all we need now is some warmer weather so we can actually use the fan. I hope you enjoyed that video. Stick around, there's a lot more build stuff coming. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, consider hitting subscribe, and leave a comment below if you were a fan of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.